Here is the explanation of Chapter 3 Nationalism in India. In this chapter, we will study about the stories from 1920 and the study about the non cooperation movement, civil disobedient movement. In this, we will explore how the sought to develop the national movement and how different social group participated in this movement and how nationalism is captured in the people's imagination यानी कि लोगों के दिमाग में कैसा उनका nationalism का imagination था. So the first heading is about First World War, Khilafat and non-cooperation movement. After 1919, nationalism movement spreading in the new areas with the new social group and the new mode of struggle, and we are going to see what are the implications did they have on this. First of all, the World War created the new economic and political crisis, which leads to the huge increase in defense expenditure, which was financed by war loans and increased taxes. Custom duties were raised and income taxes were introduced. Custom duties are the body collecting tariff and collecting the flow of controlling the flow of goods. This economic and political World War situation causes the prices increasing, doubling between 1913 and 1918. Villages were called for the supply of soldiers. 1918, 1919, 1920 and 1921 crops were failed and many parts of the India resulting the shortage of food. Influenza epidemic and about 12 to 13 million people are died because of epidemic and famine. That was the social condition after World War. In such crucial social condition, a new leader, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, appeared. See the page number 3, the idea of Satyagraha. Mahatma Gandhi returned in India January 1915. He had come from South Africa where he had successfully fought against the racism with the noble method of mass agitation known as Satyagraha. Agitation means movement, and Satyagraha is a method of agitation and protest based on the truth and non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi believed in dharma of non-violence could be unite all Indians. And here is the some places where Satyagraha comes in effect. First is Champaran, which is situated in Bihar. In 1916, Gandhiji traveled Champaran in Bihar to inspire the people's struggle against the oppressive plantation system, where the many tenants farmers were forced to plant the indigo plant, which were used to make dye and sell it on the prices fixed by the European Union. Second place is Kheda, which is situated in Gujarat. In 1919, crops failed in Kheda district of Gujarat. People were suffering with the shortage of food and pandemic, and people asked the government for tax relaxation in the land revenue, but government refuses. Gandhiji support them, asked them not to pay revenue till their demands were met. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel also joined the movement with Gandhiji. See the page number 4. Third place was Ahmedabad, which is also situated in Gujarat. In 1918, Gandhiji interfered in dispute between the workers and the cotton mill owners, and he advised the workers to go on strike till their demands were met. Now, the next heading is the Rowlatt Act. In 1919, this act was passed by Imperial Legislative Council in spite of opposition of Indian members. According to this act, political prisoners could be detained in prison for 2 years without any trial. Gandhiji decided to try to oppose it with Satyagraha. Gandhiji opposition to Rowlatt Act by non-violent civil disobedience movement, rallies and strikes. On the 6th of April 1919, observed as the Satyagraha Day because it was the first countrywide agitation by the Gandhiji as a non-cooperation movement. To suppress the movement on 10th April 1919, police in Amritsar fired upon peaceful procession and martial law was imposed by General Dyer. See the page number 5. Next heading is Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. On the 13th April 1919, large crowd gathered in enclosed ground of Jallianwala Bagh, which is situated in Punjab. Some people come to attend the Baishakhi, some are unaware about the martial law. General Dyer entered and blocked the exit point and opened fire on the crowd, killing 100. As the news spread, people went on strike and attacks on the government buildings. The government responded with the force, and satyagrahis were forced to rub their nose on the ground and do the salute to all the Britishers, and people were beaten. Gandhiji called off the movement when he saw the spread of violence. Turn the page number 6. Next heading is Khilafat movement. During the Rowlatt Satyagraha, Gandhiji felt to bring the nationwide movement, but sure no movement could be organized without bringing Hindu and Muslims closer, so he felt to take up the Khilafat movement. Causes of the Khilafat movement: Muslim of India decided to force British to change her Turkish policy that was based on Ottoman emperor who was spiritual head Khalifa of the Islamic world was ended with the First World War. Khilafat committee formed under the leadership of Maulana Azad, Hakim Ajmal Khan and Hashrat Mohani. By this movement, Gandhiji can saw the possibility to unite the Hindu Muslim as would not arise in 100 years. See the page number 7, non-cooperation movement. This cooperation movement is launched in 1920. Non-cooperation movement is started in support of Khilafat as well as for Swaraj was started. In Calcutta session of Congress in September 1920, Gandhiji convinced other leaders to need to start a non-cooperation movement in support of Khilafat. In his famous book Gandhiji Hind Swaraj 19, which were published in 1909, Mahatma Gandhi declared the British rule was established in India with cooperation of Indians. If the Indian refuses to cooperate, British rule collapse and Swaraj would come. Congress passed the resolution in its Calcutta session 1920. To gain maximum success, Gandhiji decided to propose a stage by stage strategy, and which was the movement started with the surrendering of titles, honors and government posts. Second, British goods were replaced by domestic and promote the Swadeshi. Third, plan to boycott any civil services, school, colleges and British goods. Fourth, in case of government suppression, civil disobedience movement will be launched. After lots of discussion, non-cooperation movement adopted by Congress during Nagpur session 1920 under the Gandhiji leadership.